Alright, start off with a quick view of the engine. That's the heater. I added these spin-on oil filters, and these are real great because there's anti-drain back in them, so as soon as you crank it you have automatic oil pressure. There's the compressor, the fuel density compensator. Everything's dry, good shape. Oh, set it down. There's the top, the Coleman air conditioner that I added, the exhaust. This is something else that I added. It's a winterized kit. Makes it good in the winter. Gets the heat a lot hotter, a lot faster. I put a hitch on the front for multiple reasons. Front tires, frame. Here's looking down the back side. I have here's the inside. You can see where I added the air conditioner from the inside. And I think this hard top was built in 2008. There's a carpet that I added. It's kind of a mess. It's not cleaned out. Those go to the seat heaters. You see the carpet in it. Needs to be vacuumed. There's your 6-wheel drive air locker. All your lights, heater control, throttle, engine on and off, stop, air driven windshield wipers. I've not cranked it in probably, probably close to a month, so I'll go ahead and start it. Fires right up. Here's the back tires. These are in real good shape. These are the treads down a little bit, but these are regroovable, so they can be regrooved, or the spare ones that I have are in real good shape. You can see the frame, everything's super solid. It's built like a tank. This is the drop side, that's what folds down. Show you the back. Oh, about fell there. Back Rockwell axles. This is so you can hook up and run air tools. Here's the back. I don't know if you can see, but those tires are in real good shape. Got plenty of room. Put brand new fiberglass bowels on it. The tarps and go to the man cover, the cargo cover, whatever, is in good shape. The right side. Battery compartment. Napa Gold or Autocraft Gold batteries. Fuel tank. External fuel pump. Front tires. And then the back tires. brake. As you can see, it's alternator's working good. Air pressure's up good. Oil pressure's up good. That's how you shut her off. And here's how you drain your air tanks. It does need the rubber replaced that holds the cargo cover on, but that's super cheap. And like I said, if you let it sit for a while, the outside boot will leak, but I got 2 boots that goes with it. And all the manuals to show you how to change those are online. It's pretty easy. To be a 71, I mean, the only rust that you'll find is just minimal stuff. This is all thick metal. You can see how thick the bed is. And then the other side of it, I mean, it's super thick. Everything on it's beefed up.